Today we were going to learn muscle tissue. Muscle tissue consists of long cells called muscle fibers. It divided into three, which is skeletal muscle, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscle. First one, skeletal muscle or striated muscle is attached to bones and is responsible for voluntary movement. Second, cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is also striated muscle and responsible for contraction of the heart involuntarily. And lastly, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle mainly lines internal organs and is responsible for involuntary body activities. So this is a diagram of skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Enjoy!
Skeletal muscle form from a large number bundles of parallel of muscle cell or fiber. Each fiber forms a cell and is divided into a functional unit called sarcomere, distinguished by the presence of alternating dark myosin filament and light actin filament bands striated muscle, cylindrical, long or elongated, non-tapering and unbranched, multinucleated, enclosed in thin membrane, also known as sarcolemma. Sarcoplasm or cytoplasm contains many mitochondria attached to the bones by tendons.
There are a lot of function of skeletal muscle. The first point is skeletal muscle work with the skeletal system to create movement by contracting and pulling on bones. The second point is posture. They help maintain posture by stabilizing joints and holding the body upright. The third point is support and protection. Muscle protect internal organs and it also support the body. The fourth point is circulation. They assist in blood circulation by helping to pump blood back to the heart, especially in the limbs. The fifth point is heat production. Muscle contraction produce heat, which is help maintain body temperature. The last point is respiration. Skeletal muscle, like the diaphragm, are essential for breathing.
Alright, next, let's talk about the third muscle. The third muscle is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles can only form in the heart. It is also from the contraction wall of the heart. Cardiac muscle is an involuntary muscle that is myogenic. Cardiac muscles also striated like skeletal muscle but have branched and interlocked. At the ends of the cells, they are joined by intercalated discs. What is intercalated disc? Intercalated disc is a nerve impulse from one cell to another cell. Each fiber surrounded by sarcolemma. Sarcolemma has cytoplasm and centrally located nucleus. Each fibers have numerous mitochondria and also glycogen granules.
Now we are going to talk about smooth muscle. Smooth muscle was found in the walls of our internal organs, such as digestive tract and urinary bladder. Smooth muscle is a single spindle shaped with a single central nucleus. Smooth muscle also have no striation, which means that the thicker myosin filaments do not line up to produce a banded or striped look. There are two functions of smooth muscle. One is responsible in involuntary activities, which was controlled by autonomic nervous system. Second, smooth muscle contracts slower than skeletal muscle, but they are energy efficient, which can control for a long period without fatigue.